Welcome to my YouTube channel Brainy Shoot. In this video, you will be learning about index number in statistics. The method is unweighted simple index number. In this, you have the second method, simple average method. In this, you will be finding price relative and finding the index number using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. This is my index number YouTube tutorial series. This is lecture 3. In this video, you will be learning about simple average index number using arithmetic mean, price index number or geometric mean price index number with example problems. So I request you, please stay tuned till the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you. Unweighted simple index number. In this we have a method 2 of this video tutorial, simple average method. The method 1 already I have created a detailed video. The link is provided in the I button and description. The method 1 was simple aggregate method. So you can find the link in I button and as well as in description. So in method 2 you will be learning about simple average method. In this you have to calculate the simple average method by using arithmetic mean or geometric mean method. So let's start. What is simple average method? Under this method, the price of each item in current year is expressed as percentage of its price in the base year. Price in the base year. This figure so obtained is called price relative. So whenever we are going to talk about simple average method, it is a simple average of price relative method. It is a simple average of price relative. So to obtain the index number in simple average method, first we need to find the price relative. First we need to find the price relative. So price relative will be the P, will be the only P. The price relative are the average are then the average to calculate index number for that year. So either arithmetic mean we are using or geometric mean. We will be using either arithmetic mean or geometric mean to obtain the price relative index number. Okay. So if arithmetic mean is used for the purpose of averaging, the price relative, then the price relative will be given as P is equals to P1 by P0 into 100. P is equals to P1 by P0 into 100. How you are going to calculate the price relative? The price relative is equals to current year divided by base year into 100 will give you the price relative of that particular value. Clear with this? So next P0 is our base year, P1 is our current year. So simple average of price relative to obtain the index number P01 is given by the formula P01 is equals to P01 is equals to summation P1 by P0 into 100 divided by N. This is the formula of arithmetic mean under simple average of price relative method. Under simple average of price relative method, this is the formula of arithmetic mean. So how you have to read this? How you have to read this? Index number of current year based on base year under arithmetic mean is given as summation of price relative. Okay, summation of all the price relative divided by N. What is summation of price relative divided by N? It means the average of price relative. It means the average of price relative is nothing but arithmetic mean under average simple average of price relative method, right? Where N is a number of observation or number of items. If geometric mean is used for the purpose of averaging the price relative, then price relative of each item is given as P is equals to P1 by P0 into 100, the same formula for price relative. Now, whereas P is equals to P0 is equals to base year, P1 is equals to current year. P is denoted as our price relative. Find the log P. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find the log P. Whatever the price relative we are getting, so to that price relative, we have to find the log of that particular price relative. Individual price relative, we have to find the log value. So after finding the log value, simple average of algorithm values obtain. How we are going to obtain the average of log values? Summation log P by N. It means that we are going to find the simple average of logarithm values. So where N is the number of items of the observations. Calculate anti-log of values. Now we have to calculate the antilog of values to obtain index number P01. Index number P01. So which is equals to P01 is equals to antilog of summation log P by N. This is the formula of our geometric mean under simple average method. Simple average method. So say if I say the price index under simple average method of geometric mean is given as P01. P01 price index of current year based on base year is equals to antilog of average of logarithm value of price relative, average of logarithm values. Okay, average of logarithm, we have to take the antilog of that values. So this is the formula for our geometric mean. Simple. Let's see the simple problem based on our simple average of price relative. The following are the prices of the commodities 1970 and 1975. Calculate price index based on price relative and using arithmetic mean as well as the geometric mean. With the help of geometric mean and arithmetic mean, we have to find the price relative of the this particular data. So commodities are given A to F. 1970, 1975 data is given. So here 1970 is our base year, 1975 is our current year. Now we have to solve this problem. So let's start. In the solution, as you can see, I have taken 1970 as my base year, 1975 as my current year. Okay. So now what next we have to find? We have to find the price relative in either to find the arithmetic mean or geometric mean. In both we have price relative. So first column of our tabulation A will be our price relative. So we have here price relative. P is equals to P1 by P0 into 100. This is the formula of our price relative. Whereas this is our P0 and P1. So what are the P1 values of 1975 is 55, 70, 30, 75, 90 and 130. P0 values of 1970 are 45, 60, 20, 50 and 85, and the last is 120. Now we have to divide these two values. How I'm going to divide these two values? Here P1 is our red color one is 55 divided by 45 is blue color one. So here you have to divide these two values, P1 by P0 into 100. So 55 divided by 45 into 100, 70 divided by 60 into 100, 30 divided by 20 into 100, 75 divided by 50 into 100, so on. So once after doing this, you have to find the final value. So final value for the price relative will be the first, that is A commodity price relative will be 123.44, for B 117.83, for C 151.50, so on till F we have 109.42. These are the price relative values for individual commodity. Now we have to find the summation P. So summation of all price relative will be 760.64. 760.64 will be our summation of all price relative. So I got this one value is 760.64. What is our next? As per our geometric mean, we have to find the log P. We have to find the log P of individual. We have to find the log of individual price relative. So our next column will be log P. So we are going to find the log of all the price relative, all the price relative. So I got this one. Here I have P value is 123.44. P value is 123.44. I'm going to take out the log of this. The log of 123.44 will be 2.0914. 2.0914. So on we have to calculate the log of 109.42. I will be getting 2.0391. So I have to take the summation of all log P's. Summation of all log P's will be 12.5918. Will be my summation of log p's. So I got the summation p, I got the summation log p. Now let's start with our arithmetic mean. So how many number of observations we have here? The number of observations are 6, that is number of items are 6, so n value will be 6. So arithmetic mean, so what is the formula of arithmetic mean? P01, okay, price relative of current year based on base year is equal to summation of price relative divided by n. It means that average of the price relative. So what is the value of summation P1 by P0 into 100 is 760. is 760.4, whereas 6 is the number of observation. If I divide these two, I will be getting price index using arithmetic mean is 126.77. 126.77. Next we have the geometric mean. So for the geometric mean, what is the formula? Price index of current year based on base year is equals to anti-log of average of our log values of p. We have the average. So what is the values here? We have P01 is equals to anti-log of 12.5918. 12.5918. This is the value of our log P, summation log P divided by N. Summation log P divided by N. N value is 6. So if I calculate 12.5918 divided by 6, I will be getting average is 2.986 is the average log value of all the price relative. Average log value of all the price relative. To this average value of log, we have to find the anti-log. So what is the anti-log of this? Anti-log of 2.0986 is 125.48. 125.48. So this is my which value? Geometric mean value. This is my geometric mean value. So the price index based on price relative using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. What are the value for the arithmetic mean? 126.77. In terms of percentage, we have to represent, because we have this in terms of percentage. Next, geometric mean is 125.48. So this is all about our simple average method of unweighted index number method 2. So in this video, I have explained you in detail about simple average method, which is the second method of our unweighted index number. So in coming videos, I will be talking about weighted index number. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you.